What's up, it's your main man, Really Rose. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor and hit that wonderful subscribe button. Also, like, share, and comment. It's a beautiful morning this morning, outside of the thumbnail that you just saw and the title that you just read. I got to figure out how to, get this car to the driveway, y'all. Got to figure out something maybe I can put down that nobody can just run by and take if they decide they want it. But I gotta find out a way to fix the situation. I need your help. Yes, you. I need you to help me fix this situation. Now, I was fortunate enough to be able to have a secondary vehicle here to drive or whatnot. Got my mom's truck here, so I was good thing that wasn't all I had to drive was my car. So we got to figure this out, guys. What do I put down there? You know what I'm saying? Do I just risk somebody taking whatever I put down there, or I don't know. I definitely need y'all to let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna show you guys like as far as it goes back before it starts scrubbing my pipes and my exhaust. So I thought about maybe readjusting my pipes and push them all the way in so they're not sticking out as far. Maybe that might help. What you think? Maybe not. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go ahead and make me a little bit of breakfast, y'all. I done went for my morning walk this morning, took Rocco on his walk this morning. So I'm gonna try to make that a everyday occurrence, y'all. I might give y'all a good word on those. I might take you for a walk with me one time. Once Rocco kind of settled down a little bit, he's a little too excited right now, you know what I'm saying? So I'm probably end up dropping the camera. But yeah, we're gonna take these morning walks, y'all, and make sure we stay in the shape. Even though I'm not working, I gotta stay active, stay doing something. So between walking and YouTubing and carding and all that stuff, we're gonna get it popping. So I'm about to go ahead and make me some breakfast though, y'all. So get a little bit of fuel. Let me burn off a couple of calories this morning. So let me see y'all in a minute. So as I eat this amazing sandwich I just made for myself, little fried egg and sausage and my little coffee, I was pondering, like, if I do get the car out, how do I get it back in the driveway? I got a 5-inch Carven tips on my car. What I don't want to do is have to go back and put the stock ones back on. That's the last thing I want to do. So if you posted a comment, I can't do that. You know I can't do that. Not with them 5-inch tips on there right now. Let me eat some more and think about it. All right, y'all. So outside, of course, 392 Daytona. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna show y'all what I messed up on my car. Hopefully it's not too bad, but I'm gonna see can I fix it today as well. But we gotta still gotta figure out how we can get this car to the driveway, y'all. Please let me know in the comments below, you know what I'm saying? And also make sure you don't forget to subscribe at the same time. So, geez, let's have a look. See this exhaust right here? Okay, see how that one is sticking out like that? That's the way it's supposed to look. Now, look at this one. One more time. See this one? You can actually read Carven. You can read that. And this one you can't because I pushed it up. So let's get down and let's look. Oh yeah, we got it right here at the edge. See? I'm not sure how well you can see it. Let me see, can I focus you in? Yeah, y'all see that? So that's the jagged up part. That's what I messed up trying to get out of the driveway. So I'm gonna back it on up and let you guys see how close it is and see what you can recommend by, me getting, being able to get the car out of the driveway. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so that's as far as I've been able to get without, digging into the cement again. This time I was going the opposite way, and it showed what it would did on the other side that I showed you that I haven't scraped yet. So I've been going the other way, so that's why it's scraped on the other one. I didn't want to take a chance of really doing it anymore. So I think I'm gonna try to get up under here and loosen up the tips and push them all the way in. You know what I mean? So that way I won't have to worry about them catching anymore because, they're a little bit further out right now. I like that look, but you know what I mean? I can't be scraping the tips up, Can't be messing a ride up. So let's see, can I get out here and fix these joints real quick, y'all? We're gonna see, can we make it happen? This requires a 13 millimeter, so got it right here, my trusty ratchet. Oh, that one ain't gonna work, not that ratchet. Oh, I might need a different 13. Let's try this one. We'll go with the longer one. Oh, make sure we can loosen it up. There y'all go. Man, that's scratched up back there. Okay. It's loose now. So let's see if we push it any further. Get that one as far as it can go. That should be good, I guess. Making sure it's even. Okay. Let's tighten this one back up and then get to the other side. That's good on that one. See, can we push this one in? Okay, that one's loose. That's crazy. Oh crap, I need a rubber mallet, but I ain't got one, so I'm gonna have to see what we can do. To be honest with you, I think that's as far as that one's going in. See if I loosen a little bit more, it'll change. Well, that's farther than it was, so let's hope that works out. Okay, ain't but one way to find out, right? Well, guys, disappointed that didn't work either. Not sure if you heard it scrape. I heard it scrape. I was in the car, or if you saw it. Tried to get the best shot I could, but I need y'all help, man. I need y'all to help me down in the comments below. Is there anything I can add to my driveway so I can stop scrubbing the exhaust going out? Or do I just have to take those pipes off? I really hate to do that. So make sure you guys let me know, man. I appreciate y'all for, helping me out. Brother in need, you know what I'm saying? About to go in here and make some more moves, man. It's all about being productive today, if you're off work or you don't have to work or you're on vacation, still make it productive, you know what I mean? You never know what can come out of it. People, want to rest, sleep in and all that stuff. I've been up since about 7 o'clock this morning, 6:37. So, grind while they sleeping. You always stay one step ahead. You know what I mean? So, yeah, guys, let me know. Message me on Instagram or drop in the comments below what you think I could use to stop from scrubbing going out of the driveway, so I can get this car out and back and forth and ride like I want to. I'm gonna talk to y'all next video. You dig what I'm saying? Like I said, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like, share, and comment. And make sure you support your local YouTubers, man. Make shout out to Rubix_3. Make sure you follow our new vet order. My brother E-Vapors. Make sure you support your local YouTubers, man. So let's go ahead and see what we can get into today, and I'm gonna see y'all later.